In this video, I will show you how to see block list on Facebook laptop PC. Open up Facebook. Log into your account. Push on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Come down and press on Settings and Privacy. Then Settings at the top. In this search bar, type blocking. Select blocking here. Come over to block users. Press on edit. Then see your blocked list. Here will be the list of people you have blocked on your Facebook account over the years. And that's how you do it, guys, how to see block list on Facebook laptop PC.